What's up guys, welcome to Recipe Magic, and today I'm gonna show you how to make tiramisu oatmeal. This is oatmeal tiramisu protein, so easy and super delightful, packing over 40 grams of protein. Let's get into it. First of all, you just wanna mash some bananas completely until you have a complete mashed bananas ready. Make sure you use really overripe bananas because they add a lot of sweetness. Next, add oats flour or rolled oats and some ISO pure chocolate protein powder. Next, add some espresso powder and pour in some warm water into it. Now just stir it all together so that your coffee gets perfectly brewed, and pour this mixture over your oats and protein powder mixture. Just combine all of this together so that you have a perfect oatmeal tiramisu mixture ready. Now, unlike all other tiramisu which needs layers and layers of breads, this one gets ready so easy, having the exact flavors of a tiramisu but so good. For the cream layer, I'm simply adding some cream cheese and yogurt. If you want to make it vegan, you can replace cream cheese with coconut cream, and some vegan yogurt works fine. Just combine all of this together and spread this mascarpone like cream layer all over your oatmeal tiramisu mixture, and then just simply dust some espresso powder or cocoa powder on top. I'm using unsweetened cocoa powder here because that's what makes it super delicious and delightful. Cover it up, refrigerate it overnight, and then once this is ready to serve, you can dig right in. Also, post which next recipe you want to see up on my channel. I'll be glad to make them for you. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the comment section below. So let's get into it and make this one now. This is how you make easy oatmeal tiramisu. I'm sure you enjoyed making this recipe. You can find the full recipe and all the alterations in the description box below. Follow me on my channel for more such easy and healthy high protein dessert recipes, which I'm sure will be your new favorite. Do give this a try and let me know which next healthy dessert recipe you want to see up on my channel. Subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes like this. Click the like button so that you never miss an update whenever I post a new recipe. Stay tuned for more recipes like this and have a great day.